Hello, my name is Douglas. I appreciate you checking out my video. This is I'm doing this 90-day challenges, and believe it or not, this is day 2. So it's kind of help, and I'm dividing. I also have another YouTube channel. This is what this one is about: how to create a YouTube channel and go from there. So I've got another one. I'll put a link down in the descriptions on that. But on this, I've started a new channel, and it's Work with Douglas. And it's just to start a channel. Of course, you sign in Google. And I just put this one up, so we're going to hit Work with Douglas. Work online with Douglas. Hit that. Come up here and you hit the YouTube. So you're already signed in, but you just got to concentrate because this will pull you away from it. And you start looking at, okay, that's just weird. And people flipping you off and all that. So, okay, you got to stay focused. What am I doing? I'm working on my YouTube channel. So you come over here, you click that, come down, your channel. Started this yesterday. It's got one video on it. So this is definitely on this channel itself, Work with Douglas. So let's toy around. You hit and you got a playlist. And apparently I just created a playlist to list these on. And I need to work on the other channel about that. And then channels, what's there? There's nothing there. I haven't even built the about page. So okay, where do you go? Yeah, I am no expert in this whatsoever, kind of going blindside, but in the future this will teach other people that I'm helping in business to create a YouTube channel. And yeah, so let's customize. Let's see what goes on over here. And I see that it has gone up to studio. Now over time you can have get a couple of channels in there, or they're calling these channels. So let's go with the branding. Okay, I went ahead and up to there. I can't upload a picture, so I don't even know. Let's just throw something up there. Yeah, I've been talking way too much today, so you'll have to just excuse me. So I'm believe it or not, I'm going to throw a bar of soap up there just to illustrate with. So this is what is going to be visible. So apparently, let's see, you can drag it up and down. So let's put that there and click done. And let's view the channel. It did nothing. Ain't that weird? So I go back to customize. We'll come back to that later and see what it has done. The branding wise, again, you got that upload that's a banner, and that actually goes behind your image. Now this is where you change that little part right here underneath your picture. Now I went with at Work with Douglas, which also formed a little YouTube channel for me there. And then I'll put in here I live in Arkansas. And I will go back to working on that later. So down here we got custom. So let's add a link and see what it says. Okay, these are links that you can add other links to different websites that you may have, or a business. And you're allowed to add 5 of them. Then customer information. So that's I should be on the work at. So I'll bring this little click there and over here and try to. I can't get to my channel. Okay, let's customize. Let's go over here. We're going to go home. And since I'm logged in, I'm going to come up to Gmail, copy and paste. I probably got all, that's a good little, like a learning experience. If you've got a WordPress website, download that and put it on your WordPress website, and that'll keep all the hackers out. So come up here. I'm going to copy this and try to find my other channel back. Okay. Basic info. So we're back over to where we were down here. Said contact information. So I'm adding this email. That's how people are going to contact me. Of course, all right. So we got that. And I'll again, it's I'm going to have to. I live in Arkansas. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click this, and we're going to publish that part and let it cycle out. Bring it up. While it's publishing, I should be able to get customized. So we're back over here on the one video. Let's bring this up. This is what I wanted to show you. Customize, manage. And see here, you don't want to hit home. Manage videos. Okay. That's going to send you back over to the studio. Now, what you got here is first, so you come in and hit. Okay, what the problem here is, this is the first video being put on a YouTube channel, and all of a sudden, I'm used to the other one where I post the link and it's already clickable. Well, not so here. They want let me see here, to make links clickable. First, complete a one-time verification. So you click that link, and one-time verification need, and gain access, blah, blah, blah. These are extra steps, helps us limit spammers and maintenance safe community setting. Okay, let's hit that. Okay, you got 3 choices here. What would you do? So right now, I've got it built, and which is going to take 2 months. But of course, everybody wants it done yesterday. So what I'm going to probably do here later on is I'm going to come up here, and approval time usually takes 1 day. Will help you create a 30-second video of yourself looking into your phone's camera. Well, that should be easy enough to, but 30 seconds. So what do you talk about? I guess you talk about yourself. Because option 2, it's like, I'm not going to do that. Use your phone to take a picture of your government issued ID, like a passport or a driver's license. Well, nope, that ain't going to happen. Or you got to wait 2 months for them links to be clickable. So let's see what it does when we'll just click the button, see what it says. One more step before verification. Before you start verification, first. Oh, I got to give them my phone number. So we will come back to that, because I'm not going to put that on here, on main. But another thing I have set up, being a first day, is a reusable. Been doing a lot of talking today, so you'll just have to bear with me. And get my glass. I always like to drink stuff in glass. I don't understand that, but that's how I am. So much better. So and yeah, I'll go in there and do that later on, but I'll probably shoot a video on it. So this is day 1, as you can see. So this video will be day 2. Definitely a learning experience. So we're going to take that out. We're going to bring this down. A lot of people will watch the video, but you don't understand that these are clickable links that people will come in and they will click everything, anything, look at everything. And hey, I admit it. I like on my other channel, I've almost got 1,000 subscribers because I I work on my own vehicles. That's something that will save you a lot of money. And I just like the challenge of doing that. So I figure I would separate business from, so this is actually will be a business channel of learning what I learn and just doing in these videos. So it could be interesting. 90 days. So yeah. And this is day 2. So, but one thing I've learned is just go down here, have a little notepad already done up. And one thing has, my name. I am ranking bronze in a company called Live Good. If you enjoy, please subscribe and share. One time I will figure out how to do that. Take a free tour, and more importantly, down here, put a disclaimer on the website just to cover you. So we're going to copy that, come over here, and simply bring it down and paste it. So, I've worked on the website, getting a little bit bigger. And so tomorrow when I upload, this will be day 2. So tomorrow I get to do another video. Yeah, I kind of enjoy doing these videos. And hopefully I try to teach somebody something. While I'm thinking about one more thing is come down here. Yeah, I've got a 90-day video challenge playlist. I didn't even know I had that. So there. You can hit one more. That kind of throws red flags when it's like, yes, this is made for kids. I put no, it ain't made for kids. So, and you can come on down. You don't want to really hit that because that'll throw red flags. And yeah, you got to be up to community standards tags. So how would you tag this? And you would look at how to make a YouTube channel. CHANEL. Oh, that ain't right. That looks about right. And hit enter, and there you go. You have a keyword added to this that will more chances that people will come and look at it. I'll try to figure out maybe on a even got a title down here. What's this? Hey, you get all kinds of countries in here. Let's put English. I am English. Now, English kind of, I'm American English. Then you got English and English. They're like over in the UK, but yeah, different story. Getting off track. Caption. Nope. Hang on there. Recording date. No, I'm not going to put a date on it. One thing I will do is come down here and put a new category because we have a Zoom meeting. And that's instead of I do have a blog, but this will go into the category of how to and styles. And kind of go show how many visitors. Sure, why not? Okay, and you come up here, and once you got all this kind of figured and all that, you just come over here, hit save. So there, and then you start backing out to upload a video. You just come up here to create, hit upload. And then you just come up here. I'll show you how to do that later in another video and go from there. But yeah, hopefully that helps on getting your YouTube channel started. And right over here, you can test out the link. I'll bring it up to that first video and all that. And of course, yeah, I just put that on there. I've had 3 hits in it in one day. And here's that added information there. So kind of cool, huh? And okay, I think I'm going to cut this off. And I appreciate you checking out the video. And please subscribe. Okay, thanks. Bye.